Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize language tests with TOEFL Prep, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the structure of the TOEFL test. Familiarize yourself with the 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Gather official TOEFL preparation materials and resources. Set a study schedule that allows ample time for each section. Begin with a diagnostic test to assess your current level. Analyze your results to identify strengths and weaknesses. For the reading section, practice skimming and scanning techniques. Work on expanding your vocabulary by reading diverse materials. Use online practice questions to simulate the test environment. For the listening section, listen to academic lectures or podcasts. Note important information while listening to improve retention. Practice summarizing listening materials to enhance comprehension. In the speaking section, familiarize yourself with the types of prompts. Record yourself responding to practice questions to evaluate your fluency. Focus on pronunciation and intonation as you practice. For the writing section, review the scoring criteria. Practice writing essays within the time limits set by the test. Seek feedback on your essays from experienced instructors or peers. Incorporate suggested improvements into your writing practice. Take full-length practice tests to build stamina and time management skills. Review your answers after each practice test to understand mistakes. Adjust your study plan based on performance in areas needing improvement. Stay consistent and motivated as you progress in your preparation. Finally, take care of your physical and mental health leading up to the test. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.